Okay, currently I'm just reverting this one, Control Z. Okay, so what I did, I just defined the all the color, because of when we are doing the running our cell command, that our script, that time we are getting some message, right? So in some are coming from color back blue or green, so that is I defined here. Okay, so this is not a important thing, is like how our feature, how it is doing a setup. So nothing is magically, it's like we have already hard coded. I have written this thing into this file. Okay, so it's now it is also a little bit difficult to understand this file. I will show you. For now you can, if you try to understand, okay, what we are doing, base dependencies, we are writing this code. So nothing, we are just creating first packet.json file. In there we are appending this all the code inside the packet.json based on the what technology you are trying to set up this project. Okay, so it's right now you can see this is the lots of code is there, right? And it's a little bit complex to understand. So nothing to worry, just go back and let me open it, this project into the VS Code. Okay, so now you can see I have created here. So here you can understand, okay, which is the main file. Our main file is that is like after building is generated as a setup project, setup_project.sh. okay, but our main file is setup.sh. okay, this is our main file. Okay, so if you want to do some changes, so what you can do, you can change in this function. So you can see execution starting from here, it is telling like you have to import the color.sh file. So I can open this color.sh file, go back into the script folder, go inside the UI related thing you can I'm maintaining here. So color, if I want to change, I can change it here. Okay, and export that color. Print, what will be the message, like you can see AutoKit, okay, AutoDevKit, choose message. If you want, you can change this message as well. Okay, prompt, okay, what will be the prompt, is like we are checking, okay, is a fresh project or existing, that message coming from this prompt one. Okay, if you want, you can customize this script as well. Okay, and you can generate your own script. I will show you how you can generate it. Setup, okay, let me show you for that one. Print.sh, AutoKit, and I think testing. Okay, this one. Okay, now you have to go to setup.sh. These all the files I am maintaining here. If you are going to config.file, Commitlint related configuration is there, ESLint related configuration it is there. So yeah, one more thing I want to share that thing to you. You have to just you can see in a ESLint.rc, after setup is like a default configuration. If you want you can change it from here. Okay, like let's consider I want when anyone printing the console, then it should not be commit. Okay, it should not go into the commit. So what we can do, we can type it as a error. So any person, any developer have put the using the console, then they have to forcefully remove the console before commit. Okay, then you can do it. And other configuration also you can do it, add it here. For more information, you can go to the ESLint site. Okay, there is a lots of configuration, it will help you. You can understand how you can define the ESLint configuration, everything. Okay, so that we can discuss later also. Commitlint, if you want, you can add this one also. Okay, let's come back to the topic. So you can see git ignore, what will be the file for git ignore. Okay, so in that git ignore, what will be the common file that should be exclude. Okay, so it's based on the like if the React Native specific, then React Native having a folder .expo, Android, iOS, that it should be removed. So based on the technology we have written here, Husky, everything is there. So you can go through step by step, one by one. You can read out this all the things. You can try to change it. Some your script you can do it. Okay.